King's Parrot. One day at the court of King Krishna Deva Rai, a trader came to meet him.
My salutations, great king. Welcome. Dear king, I present you this exquisite parrot from Africa.
My salutations, great king.
Thank you, trader. Boy, watch my parrot well. You will be whipped if you say anything happened to it.
My lord, I will look after it well.
From that day, the boy took care of the parrot well. But one day, the parrot died.
Oh no! God save me!
The boy was weeping uncontrollably. By then, Tenali came to the boy's place.
Hey boy, what happened? Why are you crying?
I have taken good care of the parrot. In spite of that, the parrot died today. Please help me, wise Tenali.
Oh, that was the matter. Don't worry, my boy. Do as I tell you and see what happens.
Tenali tells something at the boy's ear. At the palace, the King Krishna Deva Rai inquired the boy.
How's my parrot doing?
It's alright, Your Majesty, except it's not eating or talking.
The king is alarmed at hearing this.
Oh, is that so? Come, Tenali, let's go and see the parrot.
The king is shocked to see the parrot dead in its cage. He gets furious.
Why didn't you tell me that the parrot is dead?
Pardon me, my lord. Had I given you the news, you would have whipped me for sure.
Oh, that was intelligent. I pardon you.
And turning to Tenali, the king said,
I have no doubt this is your idea, Tenali.